loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is I, Erin, and today I'm coming at you from Lubbock, Texas. Why am I in Lubbock, Texas? Nobody really knows. Whew, okay, we're filming in a weird space today, honey. We're gonna do our best. If you're watching this video and you enjoy it, hit that thumbs up button. I love that. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. So this video is gonna feature this Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metal Peach. This is like a little eye and lip set. It was $9.99 at Target. So this is the little set we're gonna dive into today from Profusion Cosmetics. Although it is like obviously cardboard and plastic, it's really cute. And this palette is legit. Look at this mirror. Like, it's gigantic. What? And the names are like printed on the actual palette as well. Isn't that stunning? I'm excited to try that. Okay, so that's that for the eyes. It also comes with this metal matte lip cream. This is in the shade Metal Peach. I'm gonna go ahead and do an allergy test on my hand / swatch. Okay, so that's that. It also comes with this adorable little fluff brush. Like, feels legit. Looks cute. All right, we might use that today. And last but not least, a Profusion Metal Matte Lip Liner. This, I guess, is in Matte Peach, so that should pair really nicely with the lipstick, or the liquid lip. And then look at what I'm talking about. Like, this box has a rose gold foil in the back of it. It's so cute. I guess we can start with swatches. Let's start with swatches. Okay, so those are all the shades swatched. Not the most beautiful swatches I've ever seen. They are a little bit chunky, but I have a feeling that they're gonna work really well. So let's hope for the best. Prime our eyes with our Tarte Shape Tape and our Perfectionist Finishing Powder from H&M Beauty. That powder. I don't know if you guys have seen my empties video yet, but I just smashed and ruined my last one, so I got a new one. That's good. Let's go into Outgoing. Whoop, that mirror. Let's go into Outgoing, and we're gonna pop this in and above the crease. Smells like chocolate. So far so good. There's definitely pigment there. It's blending really beautifully. I'm going to darken that up with Outspoken, this shade right here. Guys, this is blending like a dream. Like a dream come true. What the hell? What the hell? I'm okay with that. We're gonna try the Profusion brush that came with it and pop into Crimson. And just pop that on the outer corner. That's really gorgeous. Okay, fantastic. Well, so far so good, right? Just look at that. Beautiful. Okay, and then we're gonna take Polite on this little pencil brush. Polite is that cream shade. And we're gonna try to use that for an inner corner highlight. We'll see how that works. We'll see. Oh, it does work beautifully. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and my face off camera, and then we'll be back for my final thoughts. And the lips, of course, and the lips. Welcome back to my face. Man, this is the first time I've worn a face of makeup in like, I don't know, like 2 weeks. And I'm loving it. Sir, we're gonna go ahead and do our lips now. We're gonna line them with the matte liner. That's really pretty. Okay. And then the metallic lipstick. Ugh. And then we're gonna put the metallic lipstick on top. It was really pretty though. All right, cool. So we are gonna do a wear test with this look as well to see if the eyeshadows crease or fade over time. So far, I'm really happy with how they turned out. I feel like the pigmentation is there, the blending is there. I'd say the only downside to this palette is there's not a dark enough color or a light enough color. Like the highlight shade I used is fine, but I would have liked it to be either more shimmery or brighter. And then the dark red is really as dark as it gets, this crimson shade. And it did give me some definition on the outer corner for sure, but just not as much as I would have liked. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to go back in with a black or anything from a different palette. But I think I normally would. And then for the lip, let's see if it dries down anymore. On my hand, it is literally not budging at all. Like, I can like rub it like that, and I got like a little bit of sparkle on my hand, but no actual color. And it's really pretty. I feel like it's gonna dry down all the way. It's a little bit tacky still, but I'll update that. I'll update you on that in my next check-in.
Hey guys, it is like 7:43, and so I guess I've been wearing this makeup since 1 o'clock, so 6.5 hours-ish. I don't think that this metallic lipstick is necessarily very long wearing, especially if you're going to be eating or drinking, but I think it could be really nice as a topper to a more long wear liquid lipstick. Overall, I was really happy with my makeup today. I haven't worn makeup in so fucking long. I haven't worn it for like 2 weeks, and I effed up my wings because I haven't done them in like 1,000 years. Even though I used my wing stamp, but I was not even like in, you know, you gotta be in the zone. I was not in the zone. I don't even know what I was doing with my life. Beer of the day, in case you were wondering, was Hazy Little Thing IPA by Sierra Nevada, because it's really hard to find weird craft beers in Lubbock, Texas. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Join the darling army! It's a fantastic place. You can also support me on my creative journey on Patreon. Woo! The links are down below. You can also follow me on my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. That's all at I'm a Pluralist. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.